Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Cavaliere. As always, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for troubleshooting tips and tricks. Today we'll be troubleshooting your range hood lights. If your range hood lights do not work, or if only one light works, we'll show you how to easily replace it for a new one. Always remember to work on a clean and soft surface. First things first, you have to unplug the power completely. Not doing so will cause injury and you may get shocked. Once the range hood is without power, carefully place the range hood on its side and locate the filters. Depending on your range hood model, you'll be able to remove the filter just by pushing down on the clip. Do this to access the harness and keypad. Note the placement of your range hood lights along with the wiring harness directly behind. First, you'll have to remove your light bulb. Do this by gently pressing on the light bulb and twisting it to the open position. Carefully remove the light bulb. Behind that, you'll see the wiring harness held in place with 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws and set them aside. Give your harness a small push and it'll pop right out. You'll need to disconnect the harness and place the entire unit aside. To test your new harness and bulb, simply plug your range hood in, connect both ends of your harness, and turn on your keypad. If it works, your harness is good to go. To install, place the connector into the same position and hold it in place with your 2 screws. Connect the harness and install your new bulb. Make sure to rotate it to the lock position. Plug in your power cord and let your range hood run for at least 2 minutes. Check every light function. There are a total of 3 settings. If your lights aren't working, check our troubleshoot video link below. Check every fan speed to see if it's working properly. Depending on your model, there may be anywhere from 4 to 6 speeds. If your fan speed isn't working, check out our troubleshoot video below. After 2 minutes, turn your range hood off and safely unplug it from the power. Reinstall your filters and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for checking out our troubleshoot video. If you have any suggestions on other troubleshoot videos you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment below.